Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I will show you the currency of Belarus. Belarus is the country in Europe and the currency is called ruble and ruble. It is a beautiful one ruble which was the issue of 2000. Here is clearly mentioned here 2000 and it is the front side of this note, and the front side represents the building of National Academy of Science. It is the building of National Academy of Science at Belarus. And here is mentioned here 1 ruble also on the top, and the backside represents the year of issue and the logo 1 ruble. It is a 5 ruble and it is the front side of this note. It is also the issue of 2000. It is a 10 ruble and it is the front side, which represents the building of National Library of Belarus. It is the National Library of Belarus, and front side represents the logo of 10 and 10 ruble. And this is the back side. Back side represents the issue. It is the issue year of issue, which is 2000, and back side represents the logo of 10 ruble. It is a 20 ruble, which is the same issue. It is the second issue, which is 2000. And the front side represents it is the National Bank of Belarus. This picture represents the National Bank, and it is mentioned here 20 and 20. And it is the back side, which represents the interior view of the Bank of Belarus. And here is mentioned here 20 ruble. It is a beautiful 25 ruble. It was the first issue, which was the issue of 1992, which is clearly mentioned here. It is the picture of image of Moshe, and the Moshe is an animal which is found in Belarus. And this is the front side. Here is mentioned here 25 and 25 ruble. And this is the back side of this note. It is the coat of arms, which is called Pohnia. It is a 50 kopecks, which was the issue of 1992. It is the first issue of Belarus. This is the front side, and it is the picture of Siros. Siros is an animal which is found in Belarus. Here is clearly mentioned here 50 and 50. And this is the and it is the back side, which is represent the coat of arms of Belarus and the year of issue, which is 1992. And it is a 50 ruble. It was the issue of 1992. It is also the first issue. And the front side represents the brown bear. It is the brown bear, which is found in Belarus. And this is the back side, which is represent the coat of arms and year of issue 1992. It is another 50 ruble, which was the issue of 2000. It is the second issue, and it is the front side of this note. It is the column gate, and it is the back side of this note, which is the entrance of the column gate, and here is mentioned here 50 ruble. It is a 100 ruble, which is the issue of 2000, and it is the front side of this note. It is the picture of National Academy of the Opera. It is the great opera building, also the Ballad in Belarus, and it is the back side of this note, and the back side represents the scene of it is the scene from the Ballad, which is from the opera house. It is also an 100 ruble. It was the issue of 1992, which is mentioned here 1992, and it is the front side of this note, and this is the back side of this note. It is a 500 ruble. It was the issue of 2000. It is the building of Republic Trades, and here is mentioned here 500 ruble, and this is the back side of this note, and the back side represents the architectural. It is the architectural view on this house, which is mentioned on the front side. It is a beautiful 1000 ruble. It was the issue of 1998, and the front side represents the national building of science. It is the National Academy of Science at Belarus, and this is the back side. Back side represents the year of issue, and the image of 1000. And finally, I have another 1000 ruble, which was the issue of 2000. It is the National Museum of Belarus. Actually, it is the National Museum of Art of Belarus, and the front side represents 1000. Here is, and this is the back side. Back side, which is represent some flowers and some fruits. And finally, I have those Belarus rubles in my collection.